A real fight for India cooking gas. 90% of India's LPG passes through the Strait of Hormuz. With the ships now stuck in Hormuz, what is India staring at? Take a look.
The Iran war is shaking global energy markets. But for India, the real battle may not be fought on the oil front. It may be fought in the kitchen. Because the country's biggest vulnerability right now isn't crude oil. It's cooking gas. The Strait of Hormuz, a narrow stretch of water barely 40 kilometers wide, it's threatening the world's and India's oil supplies. And as for India's LPG supplies, it's the equivalent of the chicken's neck. The reason? 90% of India's LPG imports pass through Hormuz. The US, world's biggest LPG producer, accounts for just 8% of the imports. Analysts say if the supply is squeezed, India could feel the pressure very quickly. The country currently has around 21 to 30 days of LPG stocks, and alternative supplies could take a month or more. LPG powers millions of Indian kitchens, and unlike crude oil, there are very few immediate alternatives. The Petroleum Ministry is already in war mode. Reports say the government has asked oil refiners to sell LPG only to domestic customers. While supply diversification was already under discussion, it is now exploring emergency sourcing as well. The government, however, says the country's energy position remains stable. It has clarified that as of Thursday. There is no shortage of LPG or LNG. While India, importing 195 MMSCMD of natural gas, just 60 units comes from Qatar. The government says it is already in talks with Australia, Canada, UAE and the US for additional supply. Meanwhile, when it comes to crude oil, the picture is very different and more comfortable. Because floating nearby in the seas around India are millions of barrels of Russian oil. According to a Bloomberg report, there are over 15 million barrels of oil on tankers nearby and another 7 million barrels near Singapore. These could reach India within a week's time. These cargoes were previously stranded by the US sanctions on Russian oil, but the Iran war has suddenly made them extremely valuable. The United States late Thursday night issued a temporary waiver allowing India to resume purchases of Russian crude, and tankers have already begun redirecting Indian ports. But the economics have changed dramatically. The Russian crude, popularly known as Urals, were earlier sold to India at deep discounts. Now, reports say they're available only at a premium of as much as $5 to $6 a barrel. Indian refiners have reportedly bought more than 10 million barrels of Russian Urals crude in just the recent days. Analysts say imports could quickly rise again, possibly crossing 2 million barrels per day. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.